Are you tired of slow string comparisons in Python? If you've ever found yourself waiting for your code to finish running, you're not alone. Today, we're going to explore the fastest way to compare strings in two files. I completely understand your frustration. When you're dealing with large data sets, like comparing over 200 strings against 50,000, performance can really take a hit. You're definitely not the only one facing this issue. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user asked, "What is the fastest way to compare the contents of two files?" They provided a code snippet that uses nested loops, which can be quite slow. Sound familiar? Let's find a better solution together. The issue here is that nested loops can lead to a significant performance drop, especially with large datasets. Instead, we can use more efficient methods like sets or dictionaries to speed up the comparison process. Stay tuned. At the end of this video, I will share a powerful tip that can drastically improve your string comparison speed. To improve the speed of string comparison, the user should first read the contents of file B into a set. This allows for faster lookups compared to a list. Next, the user should read the strings from file A and check if each string exists in the set created from file B. This will significantly reduce the time complexity. Additionally, if the user is open to using parallel processing, they can utilize the multiprocessing module to speed up the comparison further by processing multiple strings at once. Finally, the user should consider optimizing the reading of the CSV files by using the pandas library, which can handle large datasets efficiently. Fun fact, did you know that using sets in Python can be up to 100 times faster than using lists for membership tests? That's a game changer. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using sets for comparing strings. First, convert your lists into sets, then find the intersection to identify common strings. This method is much faster than nested loops. You can also achieve this in a single line by directly using the intersection method on sets. Additionally, comparing strings on the fly is recommended for better performance. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests using the set intersection method for comparing strings. This approach is efficient and avoids printing duplicates. By converting your lists to sets, you can quickly find common elements. Here's a pro tip. If you're dealing with very large files, consider using libraries like pandas or Dask for even more efficient data handling and comparison. And there you have it. By using sets, you can compare strings much faster than with nested loops. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Python code.